Hello and welcome to this brief overview of the WHS management system, which is designed to help members maintain a safe and healthy workplace and manage day-to-day WHS related activities. Both the desktop and mobile versions of the system are accessible via web browser. In this tutorial, we're looking at the mobile version. Selecting the menu icon at top left of the screen reveals the main navigation menu. Selecting the My Account option reveals the login fields. When members are logged in, they can edit their profile or proceed to their workplace or workplaces. To close the navigation menu, just tap anywhere else on the screen. As in this example, when a member has access to multiple workplaces, they display in the My Workplaces list. The list can be accessed via the Workplaces link in the Greetings tab that displays permanently when logged into the system, or via the link in the main navigation menu. The list features a search option, and just like all search functions throughout the system, any advanced search options available are revealed via the icon to the far right of the search box. Another common control is the list reveal function that can be found in the list headings throughout the system. When selected, this reveals more information for each item in the list based on individual user settings. When selecting a workplace from the list, or if members have access to a single workplace, the first page that displays after login is the Workplace homepage. The Greetings tab at the top of the Workplace homepage is the workplace name, which also links back to the homepage from anywhere else in the workplace. Members with access to a single workplace can use the My Workplaces link in the main navigation menu to return to their workplace homepage. The Workplace homepage contains dashboard-like functions that provide individual users with quick access to various resources. The first is a list of up to 10 current tasks that display in reverse order of the date due and can be managed directly from the list without having to navigate to the Tasks module. Next is the Tasks and Reminders calendar. This displays reminders to the user responsible for date-sensitive records related to the workplace. The mobile version of the calendar displays an icon on the relevant date for each calendar event. When the date is selected, all the events on that day display in a list view that then allows them to be managed directly without having to navigate to the relevant module. To return to the calendar, select the calendar icon at the top of the list. The next function on the Workplace homepage is the My Recent Activities list, which displays a list of up to 10 of the most recent workplace-related records each individual user has created or updated. Like the other two Workplace homepage functions, the My Recent Activities list is interactive, allowing users to directly manage the records without having to navigate to the relevant module. And the final function on the Workplace homepage is the My Other WHS Resources area, which, like all other Workplace homepage functions, can be expanded or contracted as required. This area contains a wealth of WHS related documentation that plays an important part in the weekly tutorials that each workplace administrator receives when their system subscription is first created. The other system modules, which vary according to individual subscriptions and user access levels, are accessible in the mobile version via the module menu, which is revealed by selecting the icon that displays permanently at the top right of the screen from all pages within the member area. The modules that appear in the module menu vary according to individual user access settings, but in this case, as we're logged in as a workplace administrator, we're seeing all the modules available. Navigating to a system module is simply a case of selecting the relevant option from the module menu. Different modules have different purposes, each of which is explained in the Help area, that can be displayed by selecting the green Help icons which display throughout the system, or by viewing the module-specific video tutorials. While different modules contain many different functions, the user controls are simple and consistent across every module in the system. For example, to add a new WHF self-audit, select the plus icon. And the same process applies when adding records to every other module in the system. Adding, finding, managing and exporting information is made easy by the simple system controls. While the actual options vary from module to module, the controls follow the same fundamentals. Once you know how to view, search and filter records in one module, you'll know how to do that for every module. And that concludes this brief overview of the mobile version of the system. For more information, please refer to the on-screen system help notes and tooltips and the module-specific video tutorials, which display either the desktop or mobile version of the tutorial based on the device you're viewing the system with. Thanks very much for watching.